Hello and welcome to Upload Ideas with Itemar. In today's video, we are building a DIY mini radar. Let's unbox the package so we can review the components we are using. An HCS R04 ultrasonic sensor, jumper cables, an SG90 servo motor, a 1.8-inch SPI TFT display screen with 128 by 160 resolution, an Arduino Uno R3, a sensor shield version 5.0, and acrylic plates. Before we start, make sure to remove the protective film from the acrylic plates. First, connect the ultrasonic sensor to its acrylic plate using the M1.6 nut and M1.6 by 12 millimeter screw. Using the screws from the servo motor package, attach the servo horn to the acrylic plate assembly where the ultrasonic sensor is attached. Using the M2 by 12 millimeter screw and M2 nut, screw the servo motor to one of the acrylic plates. Attach 4M 3 by 40 millimeter copper standoffs to the acrylic base plate. Now, connect the acrylic plate with the SG90 servo motor to those 4M 3 by 40 millimeter copper standoffs. Connect the servo horn to the SG90 servo motor and use the screw from the package to attach the two parts securely. Next, attach four M3 by 10 mm copper standoffs to the acrylic base plate. Mount the Arduino Uno R3 development board to these four standoffs, then use another 4M3 by 10 mm copper standoffs to secure the microcontroller in place. Align the pins and press the sensor shield version 5.0 on top of the Arduino Uno R3. Using two M3 nuts and two M3 by 10 mm screws, connect the two side acrylic plates, placing one on the left side and the other on the right side next to the microcontroller. Attach the 1.8-inch SPI TFT display to its proper acrylic plate using 4M 3 by 10 mm screws and 4M3 nuts. Then place this assembled part between the two side acrylic plates. Now, let's wire the SG90 servo motor to the sensor shield version 5.0. Connect the SG90 servo motor signal pin to sensor shield version 5.0 pin 3. Connect the ground pin to sensor shield version 5.0 ground. Connect the VCC pin to the sensor shield version 5.0 V pin. Next, wire the 1.8-inch TFT display to the sensor shield version 5.0. Connect the TFT ground pin to ground. Connect the CS pin to pin 10. Connect the reset pin to pin 8. Connect the A0 pin to pin 9. Connect the SDA pin to pin 11. Connect the SCK pin to pin 13. Connect the LED pin to one of the Bluetooth line header pins. Ultrasonic sensor wiring to sensor shield version 5.0. Connect the ultrasonic sensor ground pin to sensor shield version 5.0 ground pin. Connect the ultrasonic sensor echo pin to sensor shield version 5.0 pin 5. Connect the ultrasonic sensor trig pin to sensor shield version 5.0 pin 6. Connect the ultrasonic sensor VCC pin to sensor shield version 5.0 V pin. Connect the power supply cable and test the project. For the complete tutorial, including the schematic diagram and code, visit my website at uploadideaswithitamar.com. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Key improve me.